Find the total surface area of this rectangular-based pyramid. Now, we have the rectangular base, so that's straightforward enough. We're then going to have two triangles like this one. So let's just draw one of those. Clearly one of them is this side and the other one is on the other side over here. Now really we need the height of that. So we'll just drop a perpendicular down there. And we can see that this is 10 and this is 12, so this one is going to be 5. Now we can use Pythagoras, of course, to work out this length, and that's what we're going to do in a moment. We've also got the triangle on this face here. Now this length is 12. We're going to want the height of this one. But on this edge, this is 15 across here. So this is going to be 7.5. We can use that to find the height there. So let's call this, say, x as a shorter side. So x squared plus 5 squared would be equal to 12 squared. So x squared plus 25 is equal to 144. So x squared is going to be 144, take away 25. So let's work that out. 144, take away 25, gives us 119. And that means that x is the square root of 119. And square root answer, which is, if we round to 2 decimal places, 10.91. Note the third decimal place is an 8 there. And I didn't put the units in, but obviously it's centimetres. Now let's do the same with this one. Let's call this y. So y squared plus 7.5 squared is equal to 12 squared. So y squared is going to be 12 squared to take away 7.5 squared. So 12 squared, take away 7.5 squared is 87.75. So y is going to be the square root of 87.75. So square root 87.75 is, if we round it to 2 decimal places, 9.37 centimetres to 2 decimal places. So the surface area is going to be the rectangle, which is 10 times 15. Add 2 of these triangles, so that's going to be base of 10, height of 10.9 and so on, divided by 2, and then 2 of these ones. So that's 15 is the base of this one, and 9.36 and so on, all over 2. So we need to calculate, and it's a good idea to use everything we have on the calculator display and not a rounded figure like we had here. So we have 10 times 15, then we have 2 times 10 multiplied by this result up here, divide that by 2, and then we've got 2 of the other triangle as well, so that's 15 across, and the height was this value here, divided by 2, and execute. So that's 399.599 and so on, which I'm going to say is 400, and the units would be centimetres squared, correct to the nearest square centimetre.